Good evening, friends. Spirituality, a way of life. આમ જોવા જઈએ તો આટલી એજમાં સ્પિરિચ્યુઆલિટી બહુ મોટી વસ્તુ થઈ પણ એના પર ટોપિક આપવાનો છે. I heard somewhere in the lecture that being born as a human is God's greatest gift to you. Being born as a human is God's greatest gift to you. But what you shall become as a human is your gift to the God. Is that if you had a guitar, does that mean that you are a very good guitarist? If you have a keyboard, does that mean that you are a very good musician? No. The same thing is you are living, you have life. Is it means that you are living a very good life or the way it should be? In the school, in the colleges, they taught us how to talk, how to write, how to read. Is there any class on how to live? No. Our education system don't tell us how to live. The education system is that you become the first class doctor and the second class daddy and third class husband. So spirituality, actually I got so many definitions on spirituality, but they are just mugging up, nothing else. How to live, that is the main basic concept. How to live, what is the way of living. In our culture, we got so much knowledge and wisdom in our society, in our culture. Thousands and thousands years of knowledge. Vedas, Upanishads, Gitas, all this. I think the most Vedas, Upanishads is all there. They are giving you the guide. They are giving you the path to live. The one most important thing I like is the Gita, Bhagavad Gita. You can say it's the cream of the all things. But people read Gita after 70 or 80 years. હવે ગીતા પકડીએ, હવે વાંચીએ. I just want to share one story that not happened to me but with some of one of my friend from the abroad brought him a tape recorder in old days. Not from India, from the outside of India. As we all know that when you got the new piece of anything, electronic items or anything, always there is a manual. How to operate this, how to use this button, how to use this button, how to use this button. Everywhere. Whatever electronic item or whatever item you got, everyone got the manual. But we are not used to read it. So what happened, that friend got the tape recorder. Then he got the tape recorder and put the plug in the socket, and the first thing happens is boom, smoke from the tape recorder. Then what happened? Then he got the manual and start reading, and the first sentence was, don't put this plug in your ordinary socket. Is there any meaning? After destroying your tape recorder, is there any meaning of knowing the manual? When you should read the manual? Before using the item, before using your instrument. The same with us. What is Gita? It is the way of life. It is the manual how you have to live the life. But when we read it after 70, 80 years, when our instrument got destroyed, and okay, chalo have Gita વાંચીશું. Okay. Spirituality. Actually, I don't know much about the spirituality, but I just want to make you understand something in very briefly what I understand sometimes before. Okay, everybody has a clothes. Okay, this is my sweater, t-shirt or sweater. Okay, everybody understand? This is your sweater, okay? Okay, your sweater. This is your sweater. Understand what I want to say? This is your sweater, okay? It is your sweater, but it is not you. Okay? Everybody understanding what I am saying? It is your sweater, but it is not you. We don't say this is me. This is my sweater, not me. Okay? What the concept? This is my sweater. This is not me. Okay, if this is the basic. If you understand this, then the next 2 or 3 topics you will understand very carefully. This is my sweater. This is not me. Okay? This is my body. This is not me. This is my body. It is not me. Next comes my mind. I have my mind, but my mind is not me. Okay? I have my mind. My mind is not me. My intellectual. It is my intellectual, but not me. It is my intellectual, but not me. So what is me? That called the spirit. Is me. Spirit is me. Our 18 year, 19 or 100 year of life is nothing in universe. We are beyond that. This is just the body, mind and intellectual, but we are more than that, and that is the spirit. And if you understand this, so there are 2 basic things, knowledge and understand. You know that's a different thing, but you understand it is also a different thing. When you continuously understand in your life, every day, that spirit, who am I? And that is the spirituality. That is the way of life. Thank you.